Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can unlock Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro without password. So if you have forgotten your password, if you don't remember your PIN code, password or pattern, and you didn't set up the fingerprint sensor or the face recognition, then unfortunately you are a little bit screwed. And the reason why I say this is because without one of these two features, without knowing the password, you cannot really access your phone. However, this doesn't mean that you cannot do anything about it. You can still access your phone. However, in order to do that, you will need to perform the hard reset. You will need to restore factory settings and erase all data, which means that of course you will lose everything that you have on your phone. So if you didn't do a backup of important files, then unfortunately you will lose that. Now, if you prioritize unlocking your device and having, again, access to your device, then keeping all these files, then what you can do is perform, like I said, the factory reset by using the recovery mode. And in order to do that, what you need to do is, first of all, turn off your device. So you can press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. And then what you need to do is, of course, swipe up to power off. Now, once the device is off, you want to press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. So press and hold both of these buttons and keep holding until you see the logo. And once you see the logo, you want to release the power button and keep holding the volume up. So keep holding both buttons, now release the power button, but keep holding volume up. And soon we should see the recovery menu. There we go. So now we are in the recovery mode. And in order to perform the hard reset, we need to scroll down by using the volume down button. So use volume up and volume down in order to navigate. So you want to go to wipe data and confirm by pressing the power button. And then once again, go down to wipe all data and then press the power button in order to confirm. This will be pretty easy, just follow the instructions, and after that you should be able to start again by going through the initial configuration, the first setup, and you should be able to get the access back. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.